Hey, hey, what? Ray Mack. Hey, what? Hey, what? Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. Love and not hate. Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. What? Love and not hate. Come on. Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill.
Hey, what's up, YouTube family? These are some recipes that I would love for you guys to try out. If you like what you see right now, go down and click on the link in the Show More section. It'll take you directly to these here recipes. Try them out. I guarantee you will love them. Today, what we're going to do is some pineapple lemonade. I want to thank my girl K Marie for the inspiration of this here video. So K Marie, thumbs up to you, my sister. Here are the ingredients. We're going to use 1 lemon. Then we got some of this country time lemonade. We're going to use 2 quarts of that along with 1 cup of sugar. And we got a can of 8-ounce pineapple chunk. And then we have 6 ounces of pineapple juice. It's very easy. This recipe is so simple, y'all. All you need is a 2-quart pitcher and just toss in all of your ingredients. We took that 1 lemon, as you can see right here, and we're going to squeeze 1/2 into the picture, and we sliced the other half just for the garnishment of this sweet, tasty lemonade. Now we're going to fill our pitcher up with some water. After we got the water, we're going to go ahead and stir this baby right on up. Don't you want some of my sweet old lemonade? It looks so good, so good, so good. You could feel it go down your throat. Boy, let me stop messing with y'all. Y'all see how hot it is out here? You're gonna need a nice cold glass of lemonade to cheer you up, cause it's really hot. And this really hits the spot. Pineapple lemonade, y'all get us a try. And check out Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Peace. Thank you for checking out Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. What you can do right now is check out this video. And also, if you want to become a Ray Mack's family member, click on my picture. I always say this at the end of my videos, love and not hate. I love you all. Peace.